What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another sneaker cleaning adventure. Now, as for a sneaker cleaning content creator, you're asking, why am I in the garage? You probably not. But anyway, I got a pair of Nike MD Runner 2s that's seen better days and that need a cleanup. And let me go ahead and show you what they are. You see that? Do you see all that grass? Take a look at the inside of the shoe, the medial side. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the sole of the shoe, which on these pair, I am going to go ahead and knock out that sole. And if we look at the toe box here, we got a dark stain right here that hopefully I can get out. Now, one summer day, rainy summer day, I got the bright idea to start cutting the grass, and so happened to be wearing these, and I cut the grass wearing these. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video out here in the garage is because I need to clean this grass off, and I'm not taking a shoe in the house. So we're going to go ahead and try to get that done in here where I don't care about the grass getting all over the place. But I just so happened to look down, got a Home Depot bucket. So we're going to use that. So let's go ahead and knock this grass off the shoe. But first, let me put some gloves on. I went ahead, did the right shoe. We're going to go ahead and do both shoes. Not necessarily cleaning them on the video, but I do want to get the grass knocked out. And since I have them both outside, we're just going to go ahead and knock it out. That way you guys see the transformation come into effect. Let me just throw those down there. So let's go ahead and knock off the grass from the midsole. I got this bucket here. Majority of it is not going in the bucket. Do the top. This front part is going to be a little tough. Let's get the medial side of the shoe now. I am holding it this way because I just don't want this grass getting all on me. I hate cleaning suede shoes, to be honest with you. All right, so we got majority of the grass knocked off the upper of the shoe. Now let's go ahead and work with the sole on this shoe. I know I keep looking up at the camera. I just want to make sure I'm in frame. I got the grass knocked off of the right shoe and the left shoe, but we are going to clean the right shoe. Yeah, they're both pretty toasted. Don't really matter which one I clean because they're both jacked. But I need to clean this mess that I just made right here. All right, so now let's go ahead and get these shoes cleaned up. I got all the grass off the upper. There's still a little bit on the sole of the shoe, but we'll go ahead and clean that up with the stiff bristle brush. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unlace this shoe. Now that we've got the shoe taken out, we're just going to go ahead and put that to the side. And now what we're going to add again is a shoe tree. That way we have a stable foundation to work on. Now, again, we're going to use Rejuvenators shoe cleaning solution. We're gonna add about 3 squirts of this. Already got water in my bowl. 3.5. Move that to the side. So now the first brush that we're gonna start off with is gonna be Rejuvenator soft bristle brush. We're gonna kind of hit this up the best way we can, but again, I don't know if you see my last video, I kind of have to lift the shoe off the table because it does move a lot. I need to figure out how to get my other table in here. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this cleaned up. Now I'm gonna stand up for this because it'll be kind of hard. We're going to concentrate pretty much on this right here, on this toe box, because it is dirty. But once we hit it with the suede eraser, that should take away a lot of our problems with that staining. I did say when we dusted off the grass from the shoe I was going to clean the right shoe, but I ended up cleaning the left shoe. But I did show you both shoes at the same time for comparison. They're both beat, so really don't matter which one I'm cleaning. So we're pretty much done with the upper for now. I may just give it like a little touch up here and there. But now we're going to go ahead and hit the midsole of the shoe up. I'm just going to use the suede brush, kind of just to rub it on the mesh. Try to break up the stains as much as I can. Alright, so let's go ahead with Rejuvenator's medium bristle brush to hit up these midsoles. Now that we've got the midsoles cleaned up, let's go ahead and move over to Rejuvenator's stiff bristle brush. And that is going to knock out, hopefully, this midsole. Or, my bad, the sole of the shoe. Now that we went ahead and pre-treated the upper of the shoe, the midsole, and the sole of the shoe, let's go ahead and rinse all this product off with cold water, and then we are going to throw them into the washing machine. Now that the shoe is completely dry, we're going to go ahead and hit it with the suede brush, but we're mainly going to try to concentrate on this toe box right here. I don't know if you guys can see, it kind of has like a little stain, and also on the bottom of the heel of the shoe it has a little stain. The suede is a little rough, but the shoe eraser should get that knocked out for us. So let's go ahead and get started. Now that we went ahead and hit the shoe up with the eraser, we're going to go ahead and use this soft bristle brush, and it's just pretty much just to clean off all this eraser debris. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hit the shoe up with its laces. Now that we got the shoe laced up, we're going to go ahead and use this suede brush, and we're going to start with the hard bristle part first, and then we'll move over to the rubber part. One direction. Now we're going to go ahead and move to the rubber side of it. I'm gonna go back to the soft brush just to kind of knock off any debris. Now we're just going to go ahead and use a suede protector just to protect the suede for any further stains. We're not going to put a lot, we're just going to put a little bit. We're going to work it in with the soft bristle brush. And there it is.